something I love about Steel Cut Oats much more than regular oatmeal. The only problem is that it takes about 20 to 30 minutes to boil. But not anymore with this Instant Pot. It's ready in about 4 minutes. These are the Steel Cut Oats I'm using today. As you can see here, these oat groats are chopped into small pieces with a sharp steel blade, hence the name Steel Cut Oats. These are less processed than regular old-fashioned oatmeal, which is flattened and then steamed. So when compared by volume, these Steel Cut Oats contain less calories and a little more fiber than regular oatmeal. You're gonna add 1 cup of these to your Instant Pot and 3 cups of water, and there's 2 ways you could cook these. Either pressure cook it for 10 minutes and quick release the steam yourself, or set the Instant Pot for 4 minutes and allow the pressure to come down on its own until the little metal pin drops. However you set the timer, this is what they will look like once they're ready, and I'm telling you guys now, there is no other warm and comforting breakfast than a bowl of these hearty and tender Steel Cut Oats. Serve them up and add your favorite milk because this does thicken as it cools. The fun part is mixing it up and adding your favorite toppings, some fresh or frozen blueberries or pretty much any other fruits. Add some sliced almonds with some unsweetened shredded coconut, and this combo tastes exactly like you're eating a blueberry muffin. But you're not, because these oats contain a higher source of soluble and insoluble fiber, which results in a lower glycemic index than regular oatmeal. It's going to keep you feeling fuller longer by keeping that blood sugar down. So try this recipe out and let me know in the comments down below what your favorite toppings are. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you won't miss out on my weekly quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.